Are you preparing for a Java interview and struggling to understand the differences between comparable and comparator? Sorting objects is a common task in software development, and understanding the nuances of these two interfaces is essential to becoming a proficient Java developer. In this video, we'll explain the differences between comparable and comparator and provide code examples to help you understand how they work. Question 1. What is comparable? The comparable interface is a built-in interface in Java that is used to sort objects based on a natural order. In other words, if you have a class that represents an entity that has a clear way of being ordered, you can implement comparable and define how two instances of that class should be compared. Let's say we have a class called person that has a name and age property. We want to sort a list of person objects based on their age. Here's how we can implement the comparable interface in the person class. In the compareTo method, we compare the ages of two person objects and return an integer value that indicates their relative order. This code will sort a list of person objects based on their age. Question 2. What is comparator? The comparator interface, on the other hand, is used to sort objects based on an arbitrary order. This means that you can define your own way of comparing two instances of a class, regardless of whether or not it has a natural order. Let's say we want to sort the same list of person objects based on their name property instead of their age. Here's how we can implement a separate class that implements the comparator interface to achieve this. In this code, we define a new class called nameComparator that implements the comparator interface. In the compare method, we compare the names of two person objects and return an integer value that indicates their relative order. We can use this comparator to sort a list of person objects based on their name. Question 3. Comparable vs comparator. Which to use? So, when should you use comparable vs comparator? Use comparable if the class has a natural order, and comparator if it doesn't. In this video, we've covered the differences between comparable and comparator in Java with code examples. Understanding these concepts is essential to becoming a proficient Java developer, and it will help you to answer related interview questions. Remember to use comparable if the class has a natural order, and comparator if it doesn't. Thanks for watching.